Okay, so if we have a look at this, it says for the data below, which is obtained from surveys, it says copy and complete the frequency table. So, and then it says construct a column graph. So a column graph is different. So when you have a column graph, you actually have the frequency, but you have the gaps. It's not a histogram. Histogram means they're together. And a histogram is, you'll see too, the column graph we have a, see how we have a categorical data there? So see how they're talking about reports. So if you have a look at this is the report, whether you're good, excellent. So this is categorical data. Do you think it is ordinal or nominal? Remember, ordinal has some type of order. If I know that you're low, does that mean you're at the bottom of the reporting scheme? Yeah, so see how I know there's an order there, isn't there? Yeah, so this is actually ordinal. So it's an example of ordinal. So when they ask you to complete the thing, you're just going to have, you'll have a category low, what was else? There was good. No, I'm just showing you. Boys, I'm just showing you. So you go low, good. What else was there? Oh, sorry, there was very low. And then there was excellent, yeah? So when you've got to do, whatever. When you've got to do the tally, you just tally them up. So you go good, there's one, low, there was one, another good, so on, good, excellent, very low, another low, good, and another low. Okay, so then you add them up. So there's 2, 5, 2, 1. Okay, that's if you've got to do a frequency table. Now I'm going to show you on the calculator how to do the column graph in the easiest way for you. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the calculator page. I'll just write it here. So we're going to go to the calculator. We're going to go to the lists and spreadsheet page. So I'm going to do it on the calculator and I'll screen dump it in a minute. Okay, so to pop this into the calculator to do a column graph, what we're going to do is we're going to go to lists and spreadsheets. So we got in lists and spreadsheets. So you can see I've created a list and you need to label the list, so give it a name. So I've decided to give it just the name result. And then for all the goods, I just popped in a G. So you can see G and a low, and then I did another low, very low, and so on. So I've created the list. Once you've done the list, you then go to the home page again, and you're going to click on the graph page. So a graph page is the pink button, and it looks like it's got a little histogram as the symbol. So when you do the histogram, down here you're going to be asked to click what list you've got, and we called it result. So if you click here, down here, you'll get the options, and we're going to click results. And the first thing you'll see is a dot plot, but we want to change that to what we see here. And the way we do that is we go menu, and you'll see the option plot type. Now, because we have categorical data in, it's only going to offer you a bar chart. So in our case, a bar chart is a column graph. And we've got that. If you click bar chart, you should see that you end up with this diagram. Now, if you hover your little mouse over the columns, it will also tell you what percentage. So we can see 50% of the results were good, and so on. And if you hover over the, say if we hovered over the E, you'll see that was 10%. So you can quickly change that to a percentage column graph if you need to. Okay.